how to add all of this beautiful, amazing annotation within your Figma without typing a single word. And I will give you answer by using a Claude. And in this video, I will explain you how to do it, how to connect your Figma to Claude, how to make all of these annotations, and adding the label in less than 5 minutes. First things first, we have to check if actually your Figma is connected to the cloud. Go to settings, open connectors, and click customize. If you haven't added Figma yet, you will need to click a plus and then type Figma, and you will see it in ability to connect MCP. I already added the Figma, so obviously I'm seeing the permissions, and for all of my readings, I have permissions allowed all the time. For needs approval, for tools that need writing, I keep it as need approval, but you can change it if you want to have more flawless experience. To the most interesting part. So I already have my prompt, so I will just connect this Figma, add comments, or annotation, actually not capable of understanding it, with all needed details for engineers to be able to work on that. Keep it simple and minimalistic but clear. Why am I doing this? Because Claude and any other LLM models love to write poems. I'm trying to keep it very simple. Now we go to the Figma file. I got this file from the publicly available design resource, so it's not my thing, but I think it's perfect for this experiment. We put the Figma design link into that and press enter. Voila, and there is magic starting happening. If you want to be more specific, like sometimes you need to add edge cases, use cases, technical details, or for example, respect design system or add variables or tokens, you can add it into the prompt itself. Another very interesting thing which you can actually add is a context. For example, if you don't need to comment on all of that screen and you want to comment just on these cards, you can say like, hey, add the comments only to the cards, because that's what I'm working on. But let's return back and see what is working on. So Claude is connecting to the Figma, then it will look through the screen, try to understand what are there, and then only starting adding comments. So in this particular case, it provided me additional information which I didn't ask for, but as well it added the notes. Let's double check. You see it added the notes with all of the needed information without me so needing to write. Is it not fabulous? You obviously can go and edit, but I find it very fascinating. So we have as well category. I don't know how often do you use, but I do use to indicate that it's something interaction or development. Let's try to add it to add the development label to. As you may understand, Claude cannot identify whereas UX interaction or comments or anything else, so it will add all of the labels the same everywhere. So if it works for you, that's a nice feature to have. Have all of our comments for engineers with explicit details added in no time. It saves me a hell of a ton of time all the time. I'm loving this feature. I hope I can save you time too. I add the skill in link below, so if you want to use it, go ahead. I created already a skill how to actually correctly add all the comments to your Figma by using Claude. With the context, with everything. So if it's easier, just use my skill. And if you don't know how to do it, I will tell it in the next video. So stay with me, subscribe, love you, and I hope to make our life easier together.